As part of our YouTube channel in Elettronika and also our Facebook account in Elettronika, I wanted to share a little bit of what we do on the daily basis here in the company. It's not only about selling transmitter or offering or doing consulting or advices or projects or anything like that. We also do service and we do repairs. This is a broadcast audio mixer, and this particular mixer was sold by us 7 years ago, and it came back in this condition. Okay, as you can see, the conditions of the mixer is not the best one. I consider that maybe, well, from my perspective as a woman, everybody could do a little bit of cleaning with a wipey or a wet cloth, and not soaked with water, but just, wet enough to be able to pass it over on top of the mixer every 2 weeks or every week, so we can get the dust off the mixer, and particularly in this case with the faders that are very, very dirty, very gross. And this is not to judge anybody, but this is very common in small stations where you see this kind of I don't even have words. Okay, so anyway, going back, why do I recommend to clean it? First of all, because the appearance, it will look well. Second of all, because the dust, which you can see here, okay, this dust is not good for the equipment, because if the dust will go inside the edges of this, of the gaps, and they can go into the control board or the board or the electronics, and then damage everything inside, because the dust, as everybody that works with electronics, everybody knows that dust and humidity is the worst enemy. I'm sorry about my dogs, but I bring my dogs to the office every day. I have 2 schnauzers and they bark like a lot, so I'm sorry. They are part of Elettronika. So anyway, going back to this baby, recommendation, clean it up a little, just clean it up. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, it's old. Yes, it's old. But you can just a little wipey and it's gonna be clean. Okay? And it can last. I have this type of mixers. I've been selling these mixers for the past 20 years. And as a matter of fact, I have mixers that have been sold a long time ago, more than 7 years ago, and they're still fully working. But one of the reasons is because they're clean, they're maintained, and etc. So, good advice: clean your table, clean your work area, try to maintain it. This beautiful console right now is very expensive. This usually works for small stations, and when we talk about small stations, we talk about budgets. It's hard to gather the money for the mixer, so you're paying X amount of money for it and you want it to last as long as possible. But if in these conditions, I mean, the customer was lucky enough for it to last 7 years. Now it's going to be repaired. Most likely we'll be able to repair it, but I'm going to show you in another video when we're done how beautiful it's going to look. Okay, I'm going to actually take these little labels, I'm going to take them away and I'm going to put something else. Mind you, I'm not the one doing the job because I'm not an engineer, but I'm a woman, so I like everything nice and neat. So thank you for listening. Thank you for seeing our YouTube channel. Take care, be safe. If you have any questions, if you're interested in this particular mixer, we have it available. It's not very expensive. It has 2 phone hybrids. It's a 6 channel, which is good enough, and it works marvelous. So take advantage of it. Call us, and we're here to assist, provide service, and anything else you want for your TV or radio station.